gentlemen, let's me introduce our team. Me, my name is Efficiency, and my partner is Tara Company. Today we would like to present about CMC production and standard removal efficiency of CMC solution for high system.
We will start with statement of the program. Currently, there are several laundry detergent products to choose from. Most of them are relatively expensive because it is synthesized from chemical-based substance. Cleaning agents are also added to the detergent to remove stain efficiency, causing the loose particle to spread in the medium. It is necessary to add some substance to the detergent which harm the environment, especially aquatic ecosystem.
Objective. Firstly, study preposition of cellulose fiber from hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf. Secondly, produce CMC from hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf. Thirdly, study the properties of CMC from hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf. And lastly, study the efficiency of CMC in removing stain on the fabric. Plan for study: hyacinth stem, pineapple leaf, equipment, calendar, alcohol lamp, digital scale, stainless steel laboratory oven, cutting board, aluminum trays, storing rod,
beaker, globe, thin white cloth, universal indicator, single place, ring cooker, dropper, knife, equipment and chemical, blender, thermometer, sodium hydroxide solution concentration 0.5 molar, ethanol solution 70% concentration, hydrogen peroxide solution 12% concentration, methanol solution 70% concentration, chemical, chloroacetic acid, citric acid 90% concentration, sodium carboxymethyl cellulose F24, N70, acrylic color, whiteboard pen ink, magic color, tomato ketchup. Methodology: Part 1. Preparation of cellulose fiber from hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf. Firstly, wash the hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf, dry and cut them into small pieces, then bake in the sunshine for 2 days. Secondly, waste the dry hyacinth stem and dry pineapple leaf up to 200 grams.
Thirdly, extract sodium hydroxide 0.5 molar, concentrate solution 500 ml. Fourthly, heat the hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf for 3.5 hours until they are metallic. Fifthly, annex 12% hydrogen peroxide solution 0.5 molar, concentrate solution 500 ml. Sixthly, wash the fiber and break them with temperature in 50 Celsius for a day. Seventhly, when the dry cellulose fiber, record the when. Lastly, pulverize fiber to get the cellulose powder, then rinse and record the result. Part 2. Synthesis production of substance CMC from hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf. Firstly, when hyacinth cellulose powder and pineapple leaf powder reach up to 10 grams. Securely dissolve 16 grams chloroacetic acid with 14 ml of isopropanol solution. Thirdly, pour the acid solution into the beaker with containing hyacinth solution powder and pineapple leaf solution powder.
Fourthly, add 40% sodium hydroxide solution 80 ml. Alloy is well after that, so for 30 minutes. Fifthly, break them with temperature in 55 Celsius for 3.5 hours and drain liquid out. Sixthly, add 70% concentrated methanol solution 80 ml. Quantity next alloy is well. Seventhly, add the pH of solution to neutral, pH 6.6 to 7.3 with 90% citric acid solution and drain liquid out. Eighthly, add 7% concentrated ethanol solution 80 ml. So for 10 minutes and pour out the liquid. Repeat 5 times. Ninthly, add 7% concentrated methanol solution 80 ml into cellulose powder. Alloy is well after that, so for 10 minutes, then drain liquid out. 10. Leave it to dry at room temperature 9. 11. Waste the CMC powder, record waste, and calculate the percentage of the product.
Part 3. Study on the properties of CMC. Firstly, observe the texture, color, smell of CMC powder of hyacinth stem, pineapple leaf, and reduction of sentence result. Secondly, waste 1 gram the CMC powder pushed into the beaker. Continue adding a few of condensed water and stir the solution. Thirdly, add 100 ml of water, stir it well, and leave to soak after dissolution 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. Lastly, run the pH test of CMC solution with universal indicator paper to compare and record the experiment result. Part 4. Study on the efficacy of CMC on stain removal on fabric. Part 4.1. Research into suitable detergent formula from removal stain from fabric. Firstly, prepare 5 formula of laundry detergent 1 to 3 formula and the composition of N20 and F24 was the same, but there is more CMC solution from hyacinth stem into 2 formula, then there is CMC solution from pineapple leaf into 3 formula, and cannot CMC solution from the hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf into 3 and 5 formula secretly.
Secondly, pour the solution mixture into the beaker and stir until solution is homogeneous. Thirdly, take 6 white cloth pieces that stain with the color of whitewash. Fourthly, rub the coat 6 times and record the result. Part 4.2 Study on the concentration of CMC solution from pineapple leaf suitable for removing stain and fabric. Fourthly, bring laundry detergent formula 3 in part 4.1 with constraint of N70, F24, and pineapple leaf CMC solution. Bring the information to find the most suitable by preparing the concentration of CMC solution from pineapple leaf from 1 to 5%. Secondly, prepare the experimental for 6 sets, set 1 to 6, with the same amount of N70 and F24, but 2 to 6 sets will be at the concentration of CMC solution from pineapple leaf, with a 1 to 5% in sequentially. Thirdly, evaluation of stain removal efficiency. Repeat step 3 and 4 in part 4.1, but change the stain type from whiteboard ink to acrylic paint. Part 4.3 Study on the ability of the base detergent formula to remove areas type of stain. The base formula detergent solution in part 4.2, which contain N70, F24, and CMC solution from pineapple leaf at a concentration of 3%.
Result of experiment. The result of Sunday found that, firstly, cellulose fiber from hyacinth stem mass produced at 38.75 grams, or 90.37% of dry wind, and producing cellulose powder 30.66 grams, accounting for X90.44% of the fiber, while pineapple leaf produced 32.08 grams for cellulose fiber, accounting for 16.04% of the dry wash, and produced 30.05 grams of cellulose powder, or 93.67% of the fiber.
Secondly, CMC synthesized from cellulose powder of hyacinth stem were 5.47 grams and pineapple leaf were 6.86 grams, equivalent to 54.7% and 68.6% respectively from the initial amount of 10 grams.
Clearly, the CMC substance from the hyacinth stem has this following property: a light brown color, slightly grooved, hourless, pH 7.0, and soluble in water. However, some remain in small left. CMC from pineapple leaf in white fragrance, the hourless, pH 7.0, water soluble, with tiny CMC powder.
Lastly, detergent containing 10 grams of N70, 10 grams of F24, 10 grams of 1% pineapple leaf. CMC solution is a formula that can wash and fade the ink most efficiently. Therefore, the formula is suitable, and the CMC solution as a concentration of 3% is the best formula for washing acrylic paint. Laundry detergent can remove stain such as magic stain, ketchup stain, and turmeric stain.
Summarize as discussed the result of the experiment. The study from the production of CMC and the stem removing efficiency of the CMC solution from hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf in water found that, firstly, the concentration of CMC solution at 3% in the base formula from washing acrylic paint because it appears the least amount of acrylic paint, and such formula laundry detergents can remove magic stem. Ketchup based good, no magic stem appear, and tomato sauce made the turmeric stem face a lot. Sixthly, the best laundry detergent formula. Laundry is contain 10 grams of N17, 10 grams of F24, and 10 grams of 1% pineapple leaf CMC solution. It can be washed and the fabric will face as much as possible.
It can be seen that hyacinth stem and pineapple leaf, which is a plant that had not been used very well, hyacinth grow in excess water negatively affect the aquatic ecosystem. Therefore, we don't plan to produce CMC and use CMC to produce laundry detergent that can actually be used daily life to maintain the ecological balance of water resources as well.